Hi, I'm Pace from Taste of Pace, and today we're going to make a watermelon Greek salad. So you'll need about 2 cups of watermelon chunks, 2 ripe but firm tomatoes, the juice from 1 lemon, a sprig of oregano, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, about 1/4 of a red onion, 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives, and about 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese. First off, core the tomatoes and slice them into wedges. Set them aside. Then, make your dressing with the juice from the lemon, the chopped oregano leaves, the olive oil, salt and pepper. Julienne the red onion and add it to the dressing so it gets a chance to soften after about 20 minutes. Then, compose all the elements of your salad into the bowl. I'm Pace from Taste of Pace, and that is how you make a watermelon Greek salad.